Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about the newest Windows 11 Insider Preview release, which is the version 22K.160. I know I'm a bit late with this one, a few days later, because I was away for a few days and I wasn't able to record this video, but for those of you who want to watch this video to see what's new, feel free to watch this video to the end. An important note is that this Insider Preview build was launched for both the dev channel and the beta channel, so if you want to switch between those, you can do it right now while you are in this 22K.160 version. I'm just gonna type in WinVer and the start menu as we always do in these videos, and as you can see, the build 22K.160. An important thing, now ISOs are available. Microsoft released an ISO for the build 22K.132. So if we go to their page, I'm going to leave you in the description down below this link. We have the Windows Insider Preview downloads. We have, of course, instructions with how to upgrade to Windows 11, how to do a clean install, and so on and so forth. Important reminders and other things. Here you will only have to select the version. You can select the latest one, which is the Windows 11 Insider Preview Dev Channel build 22K.132. Confirm, and of course the download process will begin, and you can see the installation process of Windows 11. I'm gonna make a full video in which I'm gonna show you how to download an ISO and how to install Windows 11 from the 0 point. In this new build, we don't have many other new things. We have a new clock app which will begin to roll out to Windows insiders in the dev channel. I'm gonna leave you on the screen some screenshots from their article, but of course all the articles will be in the description down below. The ISO download, the Windows 11 build announcement, and the new clock app, of course, those three links will be in the description down below. Another new thing is that Microsoft started to test the ability to see estimates for how long a restart for updates would take, and they started to implement this in the power menu under the start button, in the restart notifications, on the Windows Update settings up page, inside the Windows Update icon, and in other places. And of course, if you want to test this out, you have to upgrade to this new version. An interesting thing with this new build is that we only have one fix, which is for the taskbar, an issue where the location in use icon was showing in the taskbar, sometimes even though the usage was blocked by your preferences. So basically that's all the fixes that Microsoft gave us for this week. I think they worked on building the ISO and making that download page. Maybe that took some time, I don't know, but we don't have many things new in this new build. And of course, the new apps, the snipping tool is now up and running in Windows 11. I'm not gonna show you an in-depth view of this app. It's pretty much the same, but only what the design was changed. We also have the new calculator app. If we go on it, you'll see it. It's pretty interesting. We have the functions here with the graphing and all that. It's pretty interesting with all the animations and the rounded corners. And from what I've tested, the mail and calendar app are not updated yet on my machine, so I cannot show you that. But as you see, Microsoft is starting to roll out these new apps, which I think is a really good thing. So basically, that's what's new for this new build, 22K.160. All those three links that I've specified in this video will be in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like down below, and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.